Hey, Jose, Trent Tate here with Tamron Honda's Internet Department. We spoke just moments ago on the phone. I know you were at work. Gonna find some time to call me back later today. I wanted to send you a short video showing you one of my last remaining 2018 Honda CRVs. Not exactly sure which trim package you're after. This is an EXL package. The new CRV was Motor Trend SUV of the Year this year. Best overall buy by Kelley Blue Book, and it comes decked out with all new features. You've got the Honda Sensing Suite of driver assist features standard on your EX and above models. You're also going to have nice chrome alloy wheels, wide track all-weather tires to go along with the inside of a cab that is roomier than years past, and class-leading fuel economy, up to 35 miles a gallon on the highway. You got a full digital display there that houses your backup camera, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Full digital screen for your miles per hour, as well as tons of legroom in the second row with rear AC vents. The back seats will fold down in a 60-40 split as well. I just want to take a moment to show you a little bit about the vehicle. When you find the time later, give me a call on my cell at 205-504-2358, and I'll make you this promise: when you make it into Tamron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.